Hello, this is Pavel from RunQuiz, and today's topic is social signals and user interactions. Social signals is a buzzword for links coming from popular social networks, namely Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and a few others. There's ongoing discussion whether there are benefits of so-called those social signals for SEO, and there's a reason. Like there's obvious reason why Twitter, let's say, Twitter links, let's say, are no follow, and most of the social networks links are no follow. Plus, many of them are redirected. So, like, there's not much of the direct SEO benefit of this, but everyone agrees that it's a nice diversification of the LinkedIn profile. Plus, all of those social likes, sharing, and Twitter is an indication of the site that has somewhat different user interactions, like posting, reposting, mentioning, and so on. RunQuiz supports a network of the type social. Let's say when I create a new site, when I create a new network, there's a type of social network, and I already have one. And once you create a social network with the type of social network, you'll be able to add Twitter, Facebook, page group, and LinkedIn accounts. I have a little bit short of 100 Twitter accounts, and once you have them authorized, that's required authorization, so you can do it your own, or you can order a service. We have Twitter accounts. Here it is, Twitter accounts that will be phone verified and activated and added to your account, to your network, so you don't need to do them manually. But once you have them, so you will be able to create a submission that is similar to bookmarking, or a submission when you can specify that basically name and how many times you want to post every URL. So I already have this submission, and you can see that I specify that every URL will be posted 5 times. And today I made a push from my PBN, and I was using data pipe for SERP backlinking, where I pushed all ranking URLs to my social network. So basically I created a data pipe, SERP backlinking, send URL, and I selected only one type. I didn't do bookmarking social, web 2, I only did social. So I did it for 2 PBNs. I have, in one I have 270 URLs like ranking. Another one has 230. So combined, I of course I'm not gonna do it like every night or daily, because it's like quite intense number of posts, going over 100 accounts. But overall I posted close to 900 URLs, and the system made close to 3,000 posts over those Twitter accounts. So if I go to Twitter account, this is how it looks. So not only system pulls the title from the page, puts the URL, but it also retrieves image, so that posts look more natural. And you can see that this is one of the account, another account, so that it's the same network, that is electrical niche. And if let's say I'll do a search for the one specific domain, you can see how many times it mentioned over like a dozen different network accounts, or not Twitter accounts. So now back to the original topic I just raised, is is there a value or not? And those who say there's no value, say there's a value only if there's user interaction. User interaction usually means that someone clicks through those links. Like when someone says if it is a real account, so it means that someone is just reading those tweets and clicking them. So there's no doubt, so there's a tremendous difference if we create a fresh account and post those links. And probably it's good for indexing, so the Google bots definitely just checking those accounts like within the second, after like few seconds after the new tweet is posted, and it says that it's going to the site and it's on its own. There's somewhat direct or indirect benefit to the site you're posting on Twitter, but if there's user interaction, it makes a tremendous difference. And this is the second part that I want to show. Today we added so now you will be able to activate a social network for traffic simulation. Traffic simulation that for not only we post those links on the Twitters, but our bots coming from thousands and thousands of proxies will be going and navigating through those links and clicking them through and stay for some time on your property and click out to the higher tier if available. So basically creating simulating the traffic, incoming traffic from Twitter. I have Clicky account, and this is how it looks, and of course it's mostly benefited by the properties where Google Analytics install, where they see that so that they capture this link, or in any other way. But what we do is we visit links, so we visit stay on the site, we click out. So one way or another, Google will see that there's some interaction with the site that coming from Twitter. Twitter has its own analytics, so it doesn't have Google Analytics installed. So it's kind of not 100% direct benefit, but it's definitely a huge addition to the interaction we have. So remember, Google moving away from linking profile, and it probably will take forever. Like not to say that it's just long time, it's probably will take forever to completely move away from using links, but they want to rank more based on the quality of relevance of the content and the user interaction with the site. And this is the way of adding user interaction to the site and telling Google so that there are people are visiting site and clicking through. So this is an addition to traffic to the search simulation we have. So once you have site ranking, there will be another set of bots will be coming through Google search result, and this is definitely benefited site. But if you are looking to add diversity to diversify your linking and user interaction, you can add now social accounts, set up chaining of your higher tier, your PBN, going down to social accounts, post them on a regular basis, and enable traffic simulation so that there will be user interaction with your PBN or your other SEO assets. That's the shortly for the topic of this short demo for the topic of how to power up your networks with social signals and enable and activate user interactions.